So hey everyone, welcome back again. So in this video I'm going to explain you the section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, which is deal with maintenance, pendant light and expense proceeding. So what does means maintenance? Maintenance means some amount when the court directed to the other party to pay him because he or she is not capably able to maintain his livelihood. So that is known as the maintenance. But there is a maintenance, pendant light and expense proceeding. So pendant lights means during the proceeding time, if any person is not capably able, then the court would pass an order which court deem just and proper in favor of those party who is not financially able to borrow the expenses of proceedings. So that is known as a pendant lights. So I'm going to explain you the whole thing very easy way with a simple explanations. If you want to know this, then watch my video. You will definitely understand very easily and you will never forget this concept rest of your life if you will pay more attention in this video. So let's jump into the topic. Before I jump into the topic, if you are not subscribed my channel, I'm requesting you subscribe my channel, press the notification bell, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family members too. So let's jump into the topic. So section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act deal with maintenance of pendant light and expense proceeding. So what is maintenance of pendant light and expense proceeding? Before I tell you, I would like to read you this section, then I am going to giving you a simple explanations. Okay, so the section 24 of the maintenance, pendant light and the expense proceedings, where in any proceeding under this act it's appeared to the court that either the wife or the husband, as the case may be, has no independent income sufficient for her or his support as the necessary expense of the proceeding, it may, on the applications of the wife or the husband, order the respondent to pay the petitioner expense of the proceeding. For example, A and B is a husband and wife, and during the wedlock, if there is a dispute took place, then for example, A filed a petition before the competent court for divorce. Okay, but B is not financially able to borrow the expenses. Then B also have a right to file a petition before competent court under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, maintenance, pendant light. He's seeking for a maintenance, pendant light and proceeding expenses. If the court deemed just and proper, then court would pass an order in favor of B. Then court direct to the A to pay some amount, some monthly expenses of proceeding, some maintenance to the pendant light to pay to the B. Then that is known as a expense of proceeding of maintenance, pendant light. So during the disputes of the wedlock, if any persons file a petitions before competent court and against whom the claim is made, if he or either husband or either wife is not capably able or not financially able to maintain the borrow the expense of proceeding, then he also file a petition before competent court and seeking for maintenance, pendant light under section 24 of the maintenance, pendant light or expense of proceeding. He is seeking a prayer before the competent court. If the court deem thing proper, after hearing both of the party, after taking the view of the considerations both of the party, then court would pass an order in favor of those party who is not financially able to borrow the expense of proceeding. So that is known as the expense of proceeding or maintenance, pendant light. So I hope this concept will be totally clear. The simple concept is who is not financially able to borrow the proceeding expenses. If the party file a petition before the competent court, then court would pass an order in favor of those party after he established to the court, after he satisfied to the court he is not financially able to borrow the expenses. Then court would pass an order which is deemed fit as per the circumstances. Then court would pass an order in favor of those party. That is known as the expense, pendant light. But when the for example, if B file a petition before the competent court and seeking maintenance for the expense proceeding, then within 16 days, when the notice will issue to the against whom the maintenance is claimed, within 16 days, court would pass an order. But it is also depend on the circumstances. When the court hear both of the party, then court will satisfy, then court would pass an order in favor of those party who claim the maintenance. So I hope this concept will be totally clear. If this concept will be totally clear, if you think this video is very helpful for you, like my video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends and family members too. So I am again back with another video. So now, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.